In a library scenario, modeling a one-to-many relationship with a local secondary index, LSI, in Amazon DynamoDB can efficiently support querying books by attributes of the author while maintaining strong consistency. Let's consider modeling the relationship between authors and their books using a local secondary index. Entities. Author represents an author who has written one or more books. Book represents the book written by an author. Modeling the one-to-many relationship with a local secondary index. Primary table, books. Partition key, PK author ID. Sort key, SK book ID. Attributes, title, ISBN, genre, publication year, etc. Local secondary index, LSI by author name. Partition key, PK author name. Sort key, SK book ID. Use case. Each book is stored in the books table with author ID as the partition key and book ID as the sort key. A local secondary index, LSI, is created on author name to allow querying books by author name efficiently within the same partition. Querying books by author name. To query books by author name, we utilize the local secondary index, LSI, on author name in the books table. We can perform a query operation on the LSI, specifying the author name as the partition key to retrieve all books written by a specific author. Example queries. Query books by author name. Plain text. Copy code. Query LSI by author name. Partition key, author name, equals John Doe. Benefits. Strong consistency. Local secondary indexes support strong consistency, ensuring that query results reflect the most recent writes to the table. Reduced costs. Using a local secondary index avoids the additional costs associated with global secondary indexes, GSIs, such as provisioned throughput and storage costs. Simplified data model. LSI allows querying books by author name within the same partition, avoiding data duplication or denormalization. Considerations. Partition size. Ensure that the partition size does not exceed DynamoDB's limits to maintain efficient query performance. Index projection. Choose appropriate projected attributes for the local secondary index to minimize read costs and optimize query performance. Write amplification. Updates to the primary table may result in additional writes to the local secondary index, leading to increased write costs. By modeling the one-to-many relationship with a local secondary index, we can efficiently query books by author name in a library scenario while maintaining strong consistency and optimizing costs.